Hey guys, so jumping right into the tutorial, I'm using the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm just going to be taking those two colors I pointed to, and that's going to be my transition shade. This video is sped up, just letting you know. I'm going to be taking those two shades too, just to add more dimension to my crease. We're going to start adding in more of the pinky orangey red that I'm going for. Right, so I'm taking those two brown shades there, and I'm just going to use that first in my outer V to add definition. Then I'm going to sweep whatever's left on the brush into my crease. So now I'm just going to be taking the black shade from the palette, and that's just strictly going to be used in my outer V. As you can see, I already cleaned up my lid a little bit with some concealer. I'm just going to be taking the Tarte Chrome Pot in Park Avenue Princess. I'm going to be using that as my lid shade. Now you totally could use a color from the 35O palette. I just really like this color and I wanted to use it. Now I'm taking my Sephora black liner. I'm just making a really thin line in the front. When it gets more towards the end of my eye, I'm going to make my line thicker and then smoke that out with some black eyeshadow just to make it more intense. Alright, so now, that was fast, I'm going to be jumping into my foundation, just using shades 410 and 420 from Fenty. Then after that, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution concealer, which, by the way, it is a dupe for Tarte Shape Tape. It's bomb. It's only $8. It's full coverage and it's matte. I recommend you guys getting a bottle of it or a tube of it. And after that, I'm just going to be setting my face with my Kat Von D and my Midnight Banana Powder. Contouring, I believe I used the Sleek Contour Kit. Everything, of course, will be down in the description below. But I used the Sleek Contour Kit in the shade Medium. And I just used MAC Gingerly Blush, which, it's one of my faves. I love that blush so much. It's amazing. Now I'm taking my two Lancome highlighters, Radiant Rose and Sparkling Peach, which they're amazing. Some of the best highlighters on the market, and I'm just pressing that into my skin. And now I line my lips with my NYX Brown lip liner, and I'm just using the color Caramello from Stila, their liquid lipstick. And then after that, I'm going to go over it with some Kylie Jenner gloss from her holiday collection. And that is the finished look, you guys. I hope you like it. This is the first video of my prom series. I will be doing more, of course. So let me know down in the comments what you want to see, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.